Welcome to DB CyberTech. I'm Sean, and in this video, we'll be walking through the compliance product. Let's get started, shall we? In this video, we will be reviewing what is the GDPR and what PII is, the GDPR summary page within the compliance product, matches, database services, the options toolbar, followed by terms and exclusions. So let's first start with what is the GDPR? The GDPR, or the General Data Protection Regulation, is a European regulation passed in 2014 and took effect in May of 2018. What does it require? That companies within the European Union know exactly what PII is in their databases and to know exactly where it is as well. So what is PII? PII stands for Personal Identification Information, which includes all sorts of sensitive information such as birthdays, phone numbers, email and home addresses, medical record numbers, and social security numbers. This includes data of both customers and employees as well. California recently passed the California Consumer Privacy Act in 2018 that essentially mirrors the GDPR, but for California companies. However, it won't take effect until January of 2020. This requires any company that has customers in California to adhere to the same standards of protection and can be prosecutable in upwards of thousands of dollars if they are hacked or have misplaced PII in their networks. Now, this is what our compliance product does to help protect you and your company. So let's dive right into the product. The GDPR summary page shows PII exposure in your network organized by total services identified and the database platform. On the right side of the page, you can see the matches. The matches are the different types of PII that have been found in your network, such as birthday, fingerprint, height of a person. And in the lower right corner of the page, the Aspecto platform shows a list of the database services in your network that have PII data. By selecting a database service, the system will provide details about such service. The data toolbar provides various options for exporting matches and services. There are various options for exporting, like through a CSV file, which usually translates to an Excel spreadsheet, or to PDF. The different options are to export matches through CSV, export database services through CSV, to export all the data in PDF format, and to edit the user-defined terms and exclusions. Now, what the user-defined terms are, these are the various terms that are sought by the classifier when searching for PII in the system. The user can add their own terms in the form of certain letter groupings, like the letters PII, exact words, or even phrases as well. You can add to terms by clicking the Add Term button and then use one of two options: to add an abbreviation or SQL identifier, or to add a new word, phrase, or concept. That way, you can tell the classifier to look for exact things within the SQL statement itself, or the translation of the term from SQL as well. Exclusions are terms that can be taken away from the classifier results. Services, matches, or categories as a whole can be excluded from the classifier and resulting reports. Exclusions can also be re-added after they have been deleted. The main purpose of exclusions is for testing purposes, specifically to see if the classifier identifies certain terms or doesn't. This concludes the compliance product walkthrough. For more information or help, please contact DB CyberTech Technical Support at their email support@dbcybertech.com or by calling their phone 1-800-375-0592. Again, that's support@dbcybertech.com or 1-800-375-0592. I'm Sean from DB CyberTech. Thanks for watching.